In this video, we will show you how to get started with the Protecta Project Management App, step by step, from login to project handover. To get started, you first need to create an account. Select Create an Account and fill in your contact information. When everything is ready, click Continue. Choose a password that is secure but easy to remember, and proceed. Enter your email and password, and you're in. Welcome to your dashboard. Here you get a quick overview of ongoing projects. In the menu on the left, you will also find the solution selector, reports, products, messages, users, and your account settings. In the top left corner, you will see your name and user access level. Here you can easily update personal and company information, select currency, upload a profile picture, and add a company logo. Go to Projects in the menu on the left to create a new project. Enter the project name, image, and a short description. Then fill in the remaining project details, such as address, customer information, and your own details. Finish by saving. In the project, you can divide the building into sections and upload drawings as images or PDFs. This makes it easier to structure the project, for example by floor or building section. A prefix is automatically used as a reference for the fire seals you register later. To add your team, go to Sub-Users in the menu on the left. Here you can invite colleagues and assign the appropriate access rights. When completed, return to the project and open the correct drawing. On the floor plan, you can mark where fire seals are to be installed. Click Add Marker and then click the location on the drawing and place the marker. To add details about the fire seal, click the marker and select Edit. Here you can specify name, status, price, and upload photos before and after installation. From the marker, you can access the Solution Finder and find tested and approved Protecta Fire Protection solution. You will be guided through a few simple choices, such as installation, construction and service type, aperture size, and required fire resistance. Once a solution is selected, the app provides a clear overview of the required products and the correct installation method. You also have access to installation videos and detailed installation instructions. From here, the solution can be shared with colleagues or customers by email, AirDrop, or WhatsApp, and saved as a favorite. Once you have saved the solution as a favorite, you can return to the marker and link the solution directly to the installation. In the next tabs, you enter details for the fire seal, penetrations, and installation information. When everything is ready, hit Save. If the same fire seal is to be installed in multiple locations, you can easily duplicate the marker and place it in the required position. You can message team members directly within the app, keeping all project communication in one place. From the marker, you can also generate a QR code label containing the installation details, ready to print and attach on-site once the work is complete. Next to the floor plan, you will find an overview of all markers within the project. Here, you can search and filter markers by status, making it easier to manage larger and more complex projects. If you want an overview of planned or completed solutions, you can create a solution report. The report compiles the selected solutions and supporting documentation into a single PDF. It is generated automatically and may take a little time before it is ready for download. Installation reports are used to document completed work for the customer. They're created in the same way as solution reports and are generated automatically before being downloaded. The Products tab links directly to the Protecta website, where you can download additional product documentation if needed. The Messages tab shows all communication with your team, making dialogue clear and traceable. The Protecta Project Management App supports the entire fire protection process, from planning and solution selection to installation, documentation, and reporting. By bringing projects, floor plans, tested solutions, and installation records into one place, the app helps reduce errors, improve traceability, and support compliance throughout the life of a building. For more information or to start using the app, visit protecta.co.uk.